Welcome to Home Decor Inspirations, your destination for striking homes, timeless interiors, and thoughtfully curated design inspiration. Here, every space is shaped by intentional design, refined material palettes, and layered lighting that bring depth, warmth, and character to every home. Today, we're taking you inside a breathtaking lakeside residence where contemporary architecture and nature exist in perfect harmony. Warm living spaces, rich natural wood, and beautiful stone finishes create an atmosphere of effortless comfort, while panoramic lake views become part of everyday life, inviting you to slow down and enjoy the moment. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe. And if you enjoy beautiful homes, inspiring interiors, and elegant decorating ideas, give this video a like. Now, let's step inside. The first impression is unforgettable. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between indoors and outdoors, filling every room with natural light from sunrise to sunset. Nothing feels overwhelming. Everything feels peaceful. Warm wood ceilings, natural stone, soft neutral furnishings, and clean contemporary lines create a home that feels welcoming from the very first moment. At the heart of the living room, a quiet fireplace naturally becomes the gathering place. Conversations linger a little longer, mornings unfold a little more slowly, and evenings feel warmer as the changing reflections dance across the lake. As we move through the main living spaces, one thing becomes immediately clear. Every room is thoughtfully positioned to celebrate the view. The furnishings are intentional, the open layout feels effortless, and comfort is present in every corner. Nothing feels crowded. Nothing feels unnecessary. The beauty comes from thoughtful choices, organic materials, and a sense of balance that brings calm to every space. The dining area carries that same peaceful atmosphere. Imagine enjoying breakfast as the morning light shimmers across the water, or gathering for dinner while the mountains glow in the golden light of sunset. Large windows dissolve the boundary between the home and the landscape, making nature feel like part of the room itself. Sometimes, the most beautiful decoration is simply the view beyond the glass. The kitchen is equally inviting. Natural stone countertops, warm wood cabinetry, soft ambient lighting, and beautifully crafted finishes combine functionality with timeless style. Everything has its place. Nothing feels excessive. It's the kind of kitchen that transforms everyday routines into meaningful rituals. The bedrooms become peaceful retreats. Soft fabrics, warm lighting, natural textures, and uninterrupted lake views create an immediate sense of tranquility. Imagine waking up to the first light reflecting across the water, or ending the day surrounded by silence, comfort, and quiet beauty. Sometimes true luxury isn't created by adding more. It's discovered by removing everything unnecessary. The bathrooms continue that same feeling of serenity. Freestanding stone soaking tubs beside expansive windows transform an ordinary routine into a relaxing experience. Natural textures, gentle lighting, and breathtaking views create an atmosphere of calm, freshness, and complete relaxation. It's the perfect place to unwind after a busy day. The home office proves that beautiful spaces can inspire better work. Natural light fills the room, while warm materials and carefully selected furnishings create an environment equally suited for focus or quiet reflection. When a space feels calm, the mind naturally focuses on what matters most. Just beyond, the library offers a completely different atmosphere. Books, comfortable armchairs, a welcoming fireplace, and peaceful lake views invite you to stay just a little longer. It's one of those rooms where time seems to slow down. Music also has its own place within the home. A grand piano adds elegance without feeling formal, blending naturally into the living space while bringing warmth, personality, and timeless character. Outside, the experience becomes even more extraordinary. Comfortable seating surrounds glowing fire pits as the lake reflects the ever-changing colors of the sky. Quiet mountains rise in the distance, while the still water mirrors every passing cloud. Everything slows down. The outdoor living areas become a natural extension of the home, inviting relaxation, conversation, and a deeper appreciation for the beauty that surrounds you. Whether it's morning coffee, a peaceful afternoon, or an evening gathered around the fire, every moment feels connected to nature. As our tour comes to an end, one idea stands above everything else. A truly beautiful home isn't measured by its square footage. It's measured by how it makes you feel. Natural light, comfortable living spaces, timeless materials, breathtaking views, and thoughtful details that make everyday life feel extraordinary. This home reminds us that genuine elegance comes from simplicity, balance, and an authentic connection with the natural world. If you enjoyed today's tour, don't forget to subscribe. Every week, we share carefully curated home tours, inspiring interiors, and beautiful decorating ideas from around the world. Now, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which space would you most love to call your own? The cozy living room? The peaceful bedroom? The spa-inspired bathroom? The inviting library? Or the lakeside terraces? Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you on the next home tour with another extraordinary house, more inspiring spaces, and fresh ideas to help you create the home you've always dreamed of.